Really, what put Yosemite on the map for me was watching Free Solo.
Yeah.
And that's the guy right there.
You were joking, but I really isn't.
Wow, this deer does not care that I'm coming down here. Not a bad lunch spot. Do you concur?
Well, I concur.
All right, hiking tips with Clay and Amanda. Tip number 1, wear a hat with a big brim. Amanda's wearing the same, it'll keep the sun off your face. Number 2, plaque.
You never, ever listen about candy.
Pack. Number 2, pack plenty of water. If you do not have a camelback slot, you can always use your laptop compartment. It fits. It fits. Tip number 3, bring toilet paper. That's all I gotta say about that.
Toga Road, not really sure, is very rugged and very beautiful, but definitely less organized than the valley and like the regular usual part of Yosemite. We parked in the lot, in the Dog Lake parking lot, and you think that the trail starts right where there's a map and it tells you about the trail, and it looks like a trail, but it doesn't go anywhere. And so then we wandered around and found, I think, the second parking lot they're building, and then a little bit further there's a sign. So
now they know.
Not the best markings, but it can be found.
A 360-degree view. This is mountain snow.
Mountain snow.
I didn't bring hiking boots on this trail. Probably could have done that more gracefully. I do not want to get my feet wet. And that's how it's done. Let's go. We just saw Alex Honnold from Free Solo just sitting on the beach with us, hanging out with his kid.
So cool.
That was wild. No one like went up to him. I was tempted to, but I was like, man, everyone seems to be giving him respect and space, so I will do the same.
So, you might have been the only person that recognized him. So.
I might have been the only person that recognized him, but hey, man, I respect you and your sport, even though I couldn't do it, and I won't do it. Using the long lens to find people on the side of El Cap. Amanda, are you seeing something?
Yeah, it's so cool. Here, wait, switch the camera around, I'll show you.
Okay.
So here's the photo. There's someone about to crest. And we zoom in and he's there.
Whoa.
So then if you look up,
he's so close.
It's this. It's that tree right there.